In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the 24mm Canon lens. It's an EF series lens. The first thing you want to do if you're getting into cameras or anything like that is your lenses. You should upgrade from the kit lens as soon as possible. That's my personal opinion. I'm actually shooting this video with a kit lens right now. Howdy. It's at 1600 ISO. The higher your ISO, the better your brightness will be, and so forth, but it's kind of introduces a lot of noise. It's hard to explain. Think of it as artificial lighting in dark situations. Try to keep it under 800 if you can. Anything above that, most of the time, is just noise and it makes it look bad. You probably can tell a big difference here in just a second when we put this 2.8 on. We can lower the ISO, up the shutter speed. The shutter speed on the camera you're watching right now is at 40. I'm shooting at 1080p, 24 frames a second, because it's the cinematic look. I enjoy that look to my videos when I do use a camera. Most of the time it's cell phone, especially if I'm outside, because I don't want to take an expensive camera and just go shoving it in an engine bay. So maybe I get a camera just for that. On a side note, back to lenses. The lens we are using on the camera is a 50mm kit lens. I think it's a 5 point something. I'm not 100% on that, so this 2.8 is going to make us go down a couple stops, lower ISO, and give us better quality. T7i, the camera I'm shooting on, the kit lens is a T6i, maybe a T7i kit lens. I think they're both the actual same kit lenses. You can correct me in the description below, you know. So let's just unbox this and see what we got, install it on the camera, and see how it improves. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. In the box, you get your warranty and your instructions. We set that to the side. You can look over those if you get one of these lenses. You can buy these lenses used, but they like over $100. New, 130. Sometimes you can find them on sale, so I recommend getting new, but if you can find them used in really good shape, I would not hesitate to buy one used, 50, 60 bucks. If you're looking to save some money. They got nothing else in the box that comes with the lens. Bubble wrap, instructions, all that good stuff. We can go ahead and open it up. You do get lens caps with this lens. You can see right here. This is the lens. Looks extremely nice. It's brand new. So what I'm going to do is install this on this camera, and then we're going to see what the video looks like. So this is the video being shot with the 24mm 2.8 that you see we just got out of the box. I'm pretty confident the video is a lot better than when we first started. Now the shutter speed is at 60. We are shooting at 1080p, 24 frames a second for that cinematic look. We are also running an ISO. Instead of 1600, we are down to 800. And we are running at 2.8. With the kit lens that was on the camera before, when we first started the video, we was running at 5.0, 40. I can't remember the specs on it. I forgot now, but I'm pretty sure I said in the beginning of the video what we had this kit lens set as. It's an 18 to 55. Pretty sure it comes standard on T7Is. Might be the T6I one. I'm not sure which one I grabbed. So I'm not hating on the kit lens. I would suggest getting new lenses as soon as possible. Just get away from the kit lens. But it's not a bad lens. I mean, if you're just getting into videos and stuff and you got plenty of lighting and you can edit in video, then the kit lens can do you for a while. And you can save up and get one of these used or get one new, about 130 bucks. If you're doing a lot of videos inside and your camera can afford to come closer, because with this 50mm you need to go further back. You do. The camera that I'm using now used to set way back yonder, past my lighting. Now it's right where my lights is and everything. Would I recommend the 24mm? Well, I'm going to let you decide. Watching this video, what do you think? I know it's a great improvement before I even see the video. Now it takes a little bit getting used to if you're especially used to dealing with these type of, zoom lenses going to a 24mm. but it's not too bad. You move your camera a little bit closer, you get a lot more better quality video with a little bit of a trade-off. Now you can get other lenses, and we will check them other lenses out in the future. I just wanted to make this video for you that's getting new into videos, getting new in YouTube, getting new into streaming, maybe getting your first DSLR camera, and looking into lenses. You can see what improvement it did for this video, so it can make an improvement into your videos. So if you're new, be sure to get subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching number one videos. I upload daily content, 5 p.m. every single day. I try my best, so check back. If you don't get a notification, should be something new on. And I'll see you next time.